My job gave me this body armor and told me it was rated 3A, so we are going to test that out today with the various firearms you see before you. Solid. 22. Let's check the back. It did not come out the back.
No.
I feel it in here.
All right. We got the 380.
Right? Nope.
Didn't go through?
It did not. There's a ball. 38 special.
On top of the 22.
Nope.
Nope.
Oh, dude, it's hot back there. You can feel it. There's a bulge.
All right.
9 mil.
It did not. It's right
It
there.
stopped it,
It stopped. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it busted the seam right there.
but it's starting to.
It's.
CP.
So it's.
We do that one again.
No, it stopped it. Would you look at that?
All right.
I feel it. It's right in here.
Okay.
On to the next.
All right, dude. Now I'm a little. All right, now color me impressed. 20 gauge out of the beautiful $120 Hatfield custom shotgun.
Big chunk of lead. I think that's it. I can feel the lead.
I guess it stopped it.
Yeah.
4570.
Right in the middle.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at the dent.
Straight through. But it hit. Okay, so
there
it
a
went.
hole?
I don't
Yeah.
think it went through. I think it just bulged.
It's in there.
6.2 by 39.
Sit there.
I think.
It got a hole here.
There's a hole right here.
Oh.
5.56 green tip. Four rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rounds of 7.62.
Oh, look at it. Look, you can see the.
Yeah, and all went right into there.
Yep.
Did they come out of?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So it was 3A. It stopped everything up to a 45.70. Thanks for watching.